Hello and welcome to day 19 of Bedtime Welsh. Yeah, and today is a big day for Luke. It's Penblwydd Hapus. Happy birthday, Luke. 9.
Penblwydd Hapus, Luke. Happy birthday, Luke.
Penblwydd Hapus, Luke. Luke is 9 today. Whoa, okay, he's growing up, isn't he? It's like you. Yeah. Beino's 9 too. Okay, what else? Griff sends a big coach to Angharad. Angharad's really happy with that. Aren't you, Angharad? What?
Diolch.
She's saying diolch faintly in the background there. And Matilda was going to be called, or came close to being called, Gwen Eira. That's a pretty name, isn't it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe she can use Gwen Eira when she comes to the party.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cracking on. Today what we're doing is introducing the word interesting. And the word interesting is diddorol. Diddorol. So interesting is
Diddorol.
diddorol. So something interesting. Hey, do you have any? Something interesting is
Rhywbeth diddorol.
rhywbeth diddorol. Just get on them. Chydig bach i Angharad. Beino is experimenting with a croc, trying to get it to fit on his shoe properly. Okay, so to say something interesting is
Dweud rhywbeth diddorol.
dweud rhywbeth diddorol. How about to play something interesting?
Chwarae rhywbeth diddorol.
Chwarae rhywbeth diddorol. And last one for today. Do you want to play something interesting?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol? Da iawn chi. A hwyl am y tro.
Ta.
Ta-ra.